Shadowswords, Stormblades, and Stormswords. Oh my. Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the latest for the Solar Auxilia in the Warhammer the Horus Heresy Legions Imperialis tabletop game of epic scale combat. Shadowswords, Stormblades, and Stormswords. Man, this is exciting stuff. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending a review copy of this box set. Big thank you to my patrons for the support and continued support, as well as big thank yous to everybody here on the YouTubes clicking that membership button. Big thank yous to you all. So, yes, we are looking at two epic scale miniatures for Legions Imperialis. Big Baneblade variants. These things, used to only live in the domain of the epic scale. Until then, all of a sudden this company, Armorcast and Forge World, came out with larger versions. And then, of course, they went to plastic for the regular tabletop version. And now we're back to epic scale miniatures of this. And, it's full circle. It's the circle of life, Simba. It's the circle of life. Anywho, we're looking at two of these models, and you have three variants of it. You have the Shadowsword, you have the Stormblade, and you have the Stormsword. And of course it also has a sheet of transfers. Very, very cool. Yeah, so I think we probably should, dive in, have a look, and see what's what. Gonna bust out the trusty, rusty blade of destiny here. And this box was supplied with Shrinkwrap, cellophane, plastic wrap, whatever you call it, it is wrapped in it. It's wrapped in it. Oh, you know what? Yeah, we probably got to come in for a little bit of ASMR. Let's come in for a little bit. All right, you ready? You ready? I know you're ready. Ready? It's all right. Let's try this one. This one. This is the one right here. Oh, almost. All right, let's get it. I think it only works really well with the big boxes, right? All right, so let's dive in to the box, and yes, of course, it has the lovely, lovely tabs. I know, it's a stupid thing. I know. You don't have to tell me. I know. All right, so right off the hop, we are looking at a sheet transfers. Has all the different Solar Auxilia factions, Ash Scorpions, Saturnine Rams. Very, very cool. The Deathless. All right. The instruction guide is a paper leaflet of sorts. Kind of what we typically see from the releases for this game and for a lot of other games as well. So Shadowsword, Stormblade, Stormsword. Very, very cool. Shadowsword is the one with the big long gun. Stormblade has got the plasma gun, and the Stormsword looks like kind of like a big, like mortar type gun. Same build for all the chassis. Pretty straightforward. And then of course, we get into the three variants of gun. Thankfully, the guns are not terribly complex. Then you get your sponsons and hatches and everything like that. Very, very exciting. Then we get a look at the frames, and the frames are they identical? They are identical. Yeah, they're identical. So, I think without further delay, let's have a closer look at this frame and, do that thing we do. You know the thing. You know. All right, so here we are looking at the frame, at all of the marvelous detail, and these Baneblades, like the hulls are huge. Like these things are big. Big old models. Tons of detail. Look at that. Look at the tracks. They look just like the tabletop versions. Very, very cool. Yeah, look at that. And you don't mess with the Baneblade. You don't mess with the Baneblade, man. Let's check the other side. The other side isn't going to have a lot going on because, it's all the interior stuff and, the hidden away details and stuff. So, it's not going to be terribly exciting. But we look nonetheless because, just for completeness sake. Look at that. That's so cool. Yeah, these are pretty darn cool. All right, let's have a little sniff. Is it Baneblades or Beyblades? Yeah, well, I mean, it's Baneblades, and that's kind of what they're going to smell like, right? Kind of, sort of, maybe. Anyway, let's get back to the rest of the video. That is our look at unboxing the new Shadowsword, Stormblade, and Stormsword for the Solar Auxilia. Yes, this box set has 2 models in it, 3 configurations each. That's a lot of versatility just for a tiny little box set. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this model. Big thank you to my patrons for their continued support, as well as all you brand new ones. And also a big thank you to everybody here on the YouTube clicking that membership button. Big thank yous to you all. If you're not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell all help the channel as well, and all it takes is a couple clicks of a button and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everybody who takes the time to do that. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Or useless review. Maybe a painting tutorial. Maybe a live stream. Maybe even a battle report. Yes. Stranger things have been known to happen, so anything is possible. Okay, bye.